We're here at an undisclosed location somewhere in mid-Michigan, and we're going to prune this newly planted peach tree. And it is a semi-dwarf peach tree contender, it's called. And we're going to train it to what's called an open center system, and I'm about to make the homeowner cry. Alright, so first of all, we're going to get all this stuff out of the way, because we don't need any of this. So when we're doing an open center system, we do not have a leader like this. So the leader has to go. And we're going to have 3 or 4 laterals. So this is going to be one I'm choosing, which is going to the north. This one's going to the southeast. This one's going to the west. And everything else is going to go. So I think I'll use the loppers on this. It'll be a little easier. This is why I said, are you ready to cry? I want to make sure I'm going to cut in the right place here. Right there. Boom! Yeah, every time I do that, people get freaky. So then, since these are going to be our 3 major ones, we don't want this down here. We don't want this little small one right here, because this is dying anyway. This is dying, so we're taking this off. We're already dead. This twig is drying up, so we're going to take this one off. We're going to take this little nub off right here. And this one's dying. And we're done.